Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, Erin will be sharing her updated nail care routine with you to give you ideas on how to take care of your nails, hands, and cuticles at home.
Hey guys, it's Erin. So the first thing I do in my super easy nail care routine is use a chemical cuticle exfoliator. This one from Butter London is my favorite. I think you can tell from the bottle how well loved it is. I use it about once a week. If you'd like a cheaper option, this one by Blue Cross is also really popular. To use this product, you just want to apply it around your cuticle area onto the top of your nail where there might be excess cuticle growing onto your nail plate. I'm letting that sit for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then I'm taking this cuticle pusher and I'm gently pushing my cuticles back. I really like a cuticle pusher like this one because it has one flat end that I use to push back my cuticles and take the cuticle off of my nail plate, and then it has this pointed end that really helps to scrape away any dead skin that's left over, so I'm left with a really clean cuticle line. Once I'm done exfoliating my cuticles, I want to make sure to remove that chemical, so I'm taking a little bit of water on a lint-free wipe and just making sure I clean off my nail. Then, just to make sure my cuticles are moisturized after that process, I'm taking a cuticle oil and painting that all over my cuticles, onto my nail plate, and under the nail as well, since my free edge is pretty long. Now, when filing your nails, a lot of people use these traditional emery boards that you can find at the drugstore, but I really highly recommend using a glass nail file. Glass nail files are long lasting, they're a lot more sanitary, and they tug at your nail less, so you're left with a smoother edge, and it's also less abrasive on your nail. When you're using an emery board, it's really bad to file in both directions since it pulls on your nail, but your glass nail file will do that a lot less, so you can file in both directions without risking breaking your nails or making them more brittle. I like my nails square, so for this process, I'm just filing in a straight line to have a straight free edge. You can also file down a little bit down the sides if you want a really sharp corner, or file them any shape you'd like. Now, I really don't like cutting my cuticles. I haven't had to in years because of this nail care routine, but sometimes you can get the occasional hangnail, so I will use cuticle nippers to remove any of that dead skin if necessary. And that's pretty much it. After making sure my cuticles are moisturized and my nails are filed, my nails look a lot better and they are ready for the next manicure. The most important part of my nail care routine is definitely hydrating my hands and cuticles with oils and lotions. This one that I used before as part of my nail care routine is definitely one I reach for a lot. As you can see, it's pretty much empty. This is the Bliss Kiss Nail Oil Cuticle Pen. What's really nice about this one is it has a brush tip, so it makes it super easy to apply. It also comes in a larger dropper bottle, which I use frequently. But the best oil for your nails and simplest way to keep them moisturized is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is really great for your nails and your skin and your hair because it most closely matches the natural oils of your body. So I actually bought this really big dropper bottle of jojoba oil off Amazon for less than $10. What's great about this oil is that it will absorb quickly into my nails and cuticles and help keep them moisturized. A little oil goes a long way, so I'll just take the dropper and put a few little drops on my nails and then rub it in. And again, be sure to rub this in all over your cuticles, your nail plate, and a little bit under your nail if you have slightly longer nails like me. Since cuticle oil is such an important part of my nail care routine, I pretty much never go anywhere without it, so something like this that is on a little keychain that's easy to have on my keys or put in my purse is really essential for me. There are really great options like the brush pen I showed you before, and this one that's in a roller ball, so it's just easy to travel with, and take your cuticle oil with you to make sure you keep them hydrated throughout the day. This is a hand lotion that I like using at night because it's a little bit heavier, but I really like letting it sink in while I sleep. And that's pretty much all my favorite products and what I'm doing right now for my current nail care routine. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys want to see more videos from Cute Polish, you can click the boxes here, and you can subscribe to Cute Polish by clicking the circle here for a new video every week. You can also click the other circle here to subscribe to my personal nail channel.